Phase 1 of the Dulai Road project starts from Wiri, Ward 4 of the East-West Elimbari local level government in Chuave District to the Wagi River bordering Chuave and the Salt Nomane Karamui districts. Gori Omene, the project manager of the Allied Resources Limited, said the ruggedness and steep terrain of the area has challenged them to improve works left by previous contractors, ensuring the work is properly done. However, the major holdback is the Wagi Bridge, a project contracted to another local construction company.
First round come down finish, all the way to Wagi, clearing grabbing from Wiri, and people come mid-July or beginning of July. People go back and start putting them all gravel. Low Wiri and come down. It's a 6 meter by 150 mil. Thick one people put them. Pavement.
Several hours of walking from the Salt Nomane LLG in the Salt Nomane Karamui District to Wagi, Caroline Togo and others traveling to a church gathering in Goroka expressed gratitude towards the initiative.
Member lo Salt Nomane Karamui making this road me amas no true. Now we not time me come nothing tasol some time lo COVID Mr. Karim COVID bag na one bag pump set him black hatimna. Narabla Karim Hab Blessa Kamolsem. Now me come lo Wagin and me calab locaria me amas no true amas domium Narabla instead.
John Managere, a local from Wiri, acknowledged the national government, the governor of Simbu and the two local members for addressing the enduring need of the people. Welcoming the development and upgrading the road infrastructure, he expressed grievances from landowners over compensation for land acquisition through NBC during a visit to the site.
Time all broken wedging goes the ground. All no mibla no been compensated mibla no been total good lo mibla. Mibla no sawa mibla plus money and Department of Works he got mistake lo this law. Usat contractor kami all get connection lo this land all make him lo this land me no can total because me no sawa. But worry lo mibla I'm still want mibla na mibla still stop yet lo yeah. But mibla by for him go lo usat appropriate man. By harem this worry na karai mibla tu mibla no sawa mibla plus man so maybe this is the time now I'm good time lo me can express in this la.
Malinda Kale, NBC National News, Kundiawa.